Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the Pixel to a known good charger and wall outlet. You need at least 30 minutes of charge if the battery is deeply depleted. Once plugged in, inspect the USB-C port visually and clear lint carefully with compressed air or a non-metal tool. Do not force anything. Then press and hold power plus volume down for about 15 seconds to force a reboot. This resets the bootloader without data loss and often revives an unresponsive device. If the forced reboot didn't work, move into boot modes. Power the phone off completely, then press and hold power with volume down until the bootloader screen appears. Once there, navigate with the volume keys to highlight recovery mode and press power to enter it. You may see an Android with an exclamation. Hold power and press volume up to reveal the menu. In recovery, choose Reboot System first. If that fails, clear the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files without erasing personal data. If recovery actions don't bring the Pixel to life, swap to a verified OEM charger and cable and charge for 30 to 60 minutes. Some phones need a stronger current to wake. Once charged, repeat the force reboot and bootloader steps. If all else fails and you can access recovery, consider a factory reset, but only after backing up data when possible, because this erases personal files. Troubleshooting tip: if the device shows no reaction and no charging indicator, suspect a faulty battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.